Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you this makeup look right here. I'm going to be using the new Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I got this palette and I was like super excited to film a video for you guys, giving you guys my first impression. And let me tell you right now, like, I'm obsessed with this palette. Like, I knew I was going to love it because I love the Modern Renaissance palette. That was like my go-to palette when it first came out, so I knew I was gonna love this palette. Just the fact that they had such beautiful shades, and like these are the shades that I love, like just up my alley. I absolutely love the shades in this palette. So I created this look that I have right here, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you guys want to see me create this look, then keep on watching. Okay love, so let's get started with this makeup tutorial. I did purchase a few new things that I wanted to try out also with this video, because I am going to be doing a makeup look using the Soft Glam. I'm so excited to get this palette. I love the other one, the what was the other name of it? The other Anastasia palette. Like, I have a brain fart, I don't remember, but I'm obsessed with the colors in this palette. Like, this is just like a me palette. Like, I love these colors, so I am super excited to do a makeup look for you guys today. But I did pick up a few more things. I did pick up this Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Primer, Healthy Glow for Pore Minimizing Effect with Vitamin Complex and Cranberry Water, and it looks like this. And I picked it up from Ulta. I wanted to give it a try because it does say glowy and pore minimizing, which two of my favorite. So I wanted to give this one a try, and we are gonna do it together so I can give you guys like my first impression and how I feel about it. So I'm excited to do that. So I'm gonna dab some on my hand like that. It looks super glowy, but let's see. Oh yeah, it feels super smooth on the skin. Like, you guys can see it does have that glow, but it has a very nice soft, like a lotion texture, which I love. Next thing I picked up from Essence is the All I Need Is Concealer palette. So this is a concealer palette, but also a color correcting. I wanted to try it out. I want to try out the pink shade for under the eyes, because you guys can see I do suffer from darkness under the eyes. So I wanted to give this a go and try it out for you guys to see if I like it. So I'm going to apply some here under the eyes and see how good it is, because I used to apply under eye corrector a lot, and then I stopped doing it for some reason. I don't know why I stopped, because I have dark circles, like very bad dark circles. But I'm gonna go in with the beauty sponge from Sonia Kesha, or Keshu. I don't know, people pronounce the name is so different, like I don't even know how to pronounce it. But I'm just gonna blend this out, and let's see if it helps my under eyes. I wouldn't say give me that coverage. I think I need to like build it up more, because it doesn't really show that much. And this palette was $3, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was $3. And I mean, I'm not giving it like a fail, but I don't know if you guys can tell, but I don't see anything different. I really don't. I'm gonna go in with foundation. This is an oldie but a goodie, because this used to be like the super hype foundation. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation, and I have mine in the shade, oh my god, where is it, 280. So I'm gonna apply this to the skin, and let's see how good it is with all the stuff that I already applied to my face, how it is. So I haven't used this foundation in a very long time, but I gotta make sure I shake it up, because it says on the bottle that you have to shake this foundation. So I'm gonna shake it, and then I'm just gonna apply some, well, let me apply it to my skin like that. Okay, so foundation is on, so we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm gonna apply this Ulta Beauty tinted eye primer. Like, I've been obsessed ever since I tried it out. Like, I've been using it a lot, and a little just goes a long way, so you don't have to apply a lot. So I'm just gonna apply this to the eyes to prep the eyes for eyeshadow. I don't even know what look I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna wing it. I just love all the shades in the palette, so I can't wait to play with it and just create a look for you guys. So I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm gonna go in with another brush and just blend it out. Okay, so I really don't have a shade that I want to set my eye primer down, because Tempera looks like it has a little bit of shimmer, and I don't want to put that on my eyelids. So I'm gonna go in with the Milani setting powder in the shade Banana to just set the primer down so it doesn't move. I just don't want to put a shimmer on my eye, because I think that would just be a hot mess. So I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to use the translucent banana powder. So now we can go into this palette. Now, I love the brushes from Anastasia in all their palettes, so I'm definitely going to use the brush today. So I'm going to go in with burnt orange, and I'm going to start building that up in the crease. Okay, it has a lot of kickback, so fair warning in that one. So I'm just going to build that up in my crease. Just blend it in. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see. So I'm just gonna start building this. It does have a lot of kickback. If you don't like that, you're not gonna like this palette. You're definitely not gonna like it. It doesn't bother me, but it's so pretty, and it has a lot of payoff. Like, the color, it just blends out so pretty. So I'm okay with that. Yeah. This burnt orange, yeah, and you guys can see, like, look at all the fallout that I have from dipping in the shade. So that's the only downfall for the palette, but other than that, I love the payoff. The colors is just so beautiful, so vibrant, and they blend out so nice. So I definitely love that about it. Now, the kickback, it's a lot. I'm not gonna even deny that one. It's a lot, but if you don't mind it, you're gonna love the palette regardless. So next, I'm gonna go in with, I don't know what I want to do. I think I'm gonna go in to mulberry, I think I'm saying that right here, this shade. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to just put it in the outer corner, and I'm going to use this side of the brush. I'm telling you, I love their brushes. Like, I have them and I still use them to this day. Like, I absolutely love the brushes. Okay, this color is like giving me issue to like blend it out. It's like stuck there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like, it doesn't want to move. I'm going to change the brush. I'm going to go in with a Vanity Planet brush, and I'm going to pick up the same shade, and I'm going to try to blend it out, because I don't want to stay. It looks kind of that shade is just, it's not my friend. It's not my friend, and it's not my favorite because it's very hard to blend out, guys. Like, I'm not obsessed with that shade at all. I mean, let me know if you guys got the palette and you had the same issue. Let me know, because I don't like it. So I'm gonna go in with Tempera, And I'm just gonna highlight the brow bone with this. This shade is so beautiful for a brow bone. I do want to go in with some shimmer like in the inner tear duct. So I think I'm going to pick up this shade right here, Bronze. Oh, it's so buttery. So I'm excited to try this. It's so pretty. So I'm going to go in with that. And I'm going to apply it right here in the inner tear duct, just to give me the highlight. That is so pretty and so pigmented. I love it so far. Loving it. It looks cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply concealer and my mascara and eyeliner, because I don't have anything new to show you guys, and I'll be right back to finish up the rest of the face. Okay, love, so I am back. I finished up the rest of my face. How I feel about this palette, I definitely love it. It does have a lot of kickback once you put your brush to the shadows, but other than that, I love it. I'm obsessed. The only shade that I do not like so far is the mulberry shade, the very cranberry looking shade. It did not want to blend out on my outer corner, but I blended it out because I was there for a minute trying to like blend it out, but it did blend out. It just took me a long time to do it, which I don't like. I love shadows that just blend out very easy. It doesn't give me a hard time or anything like that. So I do love the palette, but other than that, the shade I just didn't like. It just took me a long time to blend it out, but other than that, I love it. And then I did pick up a lip gloss here from Catrice, the Volume Lip Boost. I wanted to show you guys my first impression about it. So I'm gonna use my ColourPop lippy stick in Parker. This is a matte lip. I'm gonna put this in the bottom and then put this on top and see how good it looks. So it looks, this shade is like that. Very pretty shade, and it's very creamy, so I do like that. Do like this shade. I bought this a long time ago. I hardly ever use it. I don't even know why I don't use it, but it's just I have so many lip colors that I have to go through. Okay, so this is like a lip topper or lip gloss. Help, you know, make your lips more plumpy. I don't need them more plumpy, but it just was so interesting that I wanted to try it out. I don't know. Does it go? I don't even know. To me, it doesn't. I might just change it out to a nude color, of course. But yeah, that is the finished completed look. Let me know down below if you guys like the eye look that I created with the soft glam palette. Please let me know down below your comments, and if you guys have it, let me know. If you guys did videos about it and stuff like that, let me know. I'll love to watch your guys videos, especially if you guys are YouTubers like me. I love to support you guys. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.